Happy morning, students.
Happy morning, ma'am. Have a happy day.
How are you all?
Happy as the of the world.
Are you all ready for the towel folding today?
Yes, ma'am.
Class?
Yes.
Class?
Yes.
Class?
Yes.
Class ready?
Yes, ready.
Class sit?
Yes, sit.
Shall we start?
Day by day,
One smile.
I will grow more and more. Day by day, in every way, I will grow more and more. Physically healthy, mentally strong, intellectually sharp, emotionally balanced, spiritually aligned, and be a healthy, wealthy, loving, and blissful person. Day by day, every way, I will grow
Class?
Yes.
more.
Class show?
Day by day, in every way, I will grow
Good.
more and more.
Number 2, jellyfish.
I resolve to live life as an ACHARIYA. I resolve to live life as an ACHARIYA by giving a meaning to my life and thus be a blessing to this existence. I pledge to live a value-based life and make a difference.
Class ready? Class show?
And make a difference. Day by day, every way, I will
Number 3, grass.
grow. Day by day, in every way, I will grow more and more. Physically healthy, mentally strong, intellectually sharp, emotionally balanced, spiritually aligned, and be a healthy, wealthy, loving, and blissful person.
Class ready?
Yes, ready.
Class show?
Yes, show.
With all love and happiness.
Class 10?
Total.
Thank you. Love you all.